Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essential details, your operating system and whether an external monitor is attached, because resolution options differ. Open Display Settings now. In Windows, go to System Right Arrow Display, and on Mac OS, open System Settings Right Arrow Displays. Once there, identify current resolution and scaling percentage so you can compare results later. Make sure to use the monitor's native resolution and the correct cable. This matters because mismatched modes cause fuzziness and incorrect size. Now adjust the core settings. Pick the display's native resolution to ensure sharpness, and if elements appear too big or small, change the scaling. You should try standard scaling steps, 100, 125, 150%, and test how UI and text render. On Windows, you can enter a custom scaling value, but be cautious because apps may blur. On Mac OS, use the scaled options to balance size versus space. Once done, make sure each monitor is configured individually, especially the primary display. Finish by fine-tuning and verifying stability. Set the correct refresh rate and enable ClearType on Windows so text renders crisply. On Mac OS, pick the best resolution preset. Update your graphics drivers and check the monitor's on-screen menu for scaling or 1:1 pixel options. These override OS scaling. If results aren't right, revert to the previous settings, reconnect cables, or switch ports. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different cable or port first. Many size issues are caused by bad adapters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.